Welcome back to Top Tech Gadgets. Today, we are showcasing 32 of the most rugged and futuristic gadgets for men that are actually worth your money. Let's dive straight into the list. First up is the OmniFob, the ultimate solution to that bulky keyring jangling in your pocket. This isn't just a fob. It's a tiny smart remote that condenses all your smart home and car functions into one finger-sized stick. You can trigger your garage door, unlock your car, find your phone, or even turn on your smart lights with a simple click. It attaches right to your keychain and uses a modular system to keep things compact. If you are tired of carrying a dozen fobs for different devices, this sleek module is the minimalist upgrade your daily carry needs. Next, we have the MRF Universal 4.0. A credit card-sized beast that proves you don't need a toolbox to fix everything. This flat, stainless steel card fits perfectly in your wallet, but packs over 60 different functions, including wrenches, screwdrivers, a can opener, and even a sundial. It is built for heavy-duty use, so you can actually crank on bolts without worrying about it bending under pressure. Whether you are in a survival situation or just need to open a bottle at a party, the Universal 4.0 ensures you are always the guy with the solution. For the mobile gamers out there, the GameSir F7 Claw is a game-changer for playing shooters on a tablet. Unlike traditional controllers, this attaches directly to the sides of your iPad or Android tablet, giving you physical trigger buttons for six-finger play. It uses a suction cup design that is secure but easy to remove, and it works with any game that has customizable on-screen controls. The Turbo mode allows you to automate rapid-fire button presses, giving you a massive competitive edge in games like PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile without getting banned. Gentlemen, scuffed shoes ruin a good outfit, but the Equerry electric shoe cleaning kit makes maintenance effortless. This handheld gadget features a powerful rotating brush head with a built-in polish reservoir that buffs your leather shoes to a mirror shine in minutes. It is rechargeable via USB and compact enough to throw in your travel bag for business trips or weddings. You don't need to be a professional cobbler to get that glass-like finish anymore. Just press the button and let the high-torque motor do all the hard work for you. Shaving shouldn't be a chore, and the Hype X1 safety razor turns it into a precision tactical experience. This isn't your grandfather's razor. It is precision machined from aerospace-grade aluminum, with a single blade design that eliminates irritation and ingrown hairs. The unique injector blade system allows you to swap blades without ever touching the sharp edge, keeping your fingers safe. It looks like a futuristic tool rather than a bathroom accessory, offering a barber-quality shave that saves you a fortune on plastic cartridges over time. Power banks are usually boring black bricks, but the Shargeek Storm 2 is the cyberpunk energy source of your dreams. It features a fully transparent housing that lets you see the high-quality circuit boards and battery cells inside, complete with an IPS display screen. This screen gives you real-time data on output voltage, battery temperature, and remaining charge, so you know exactly how your devices are performing. With a massive 25,600 mAh capacity and 100-watt output, it can charge your laptop, phone, and drone simultaneously while looking like a prop from a sci-fi movie. If you love fishing, you know the struggle of trying to tie a knot or unhook a fish while holding your rod. The OPros third hand is a belt-mounted rod holder that acts as an extra hand when you need it most. It rotates 360 degrees and locks your rod securely in place, giving you total freedom to re-rig your line or handle your catch without setting your expensive gear in the mud. It is made from durable molded plastic and fits any standard belt, making it an essential addition to any angler's tackle setup. Cyclists. Visibility is key to survival, and the REDSHIFT Arclight Pro pedals make sure you are seen from every angle. These smart pedals feature removable LED light modules that automatically detect motion and orientation, glowing white in the front and red in the rear. Because the lights are moving with your feet, they create a biological motion pattern that drivers recognize instantly, making you up to 57% more visible than standard lights. They are fully waterproof, rechargeable, and work as high-performance clipless pedals, blending safety seamlessly with pro-level cycling performance. Staying fit on the road is tough, but the OYO Personal Gym brings the weight rack to your hotel room. It uses Spiriflex technology, the same resistance tech used by NASA astronauts on the International Space Station, to provide up to 25 pounds of smooth resistance in a device that weighs just 2 pounds. You can perform bicep curls, tricep extensions, and chest flies without relying on gravity, meaning you can use it sitting, standing, or lying down. It folds up to fit in a backpack, ensuring you never have an excuse to skip a workout, no matter where you are. Carrying your Nintendo Switch usually means dealing with bulky cases, but the MagGo travel bag is sleek, magnetic, and incredibly fast. It features a unique magnetic quick-release buckle and a magnetic flap that lets you access your console in less than a second. The interior is lined with soft felt to protect your screen, and it has dedicated slots for game cartridges and a hidden pocket for your phone or wallet. It's a sling-style bag that sits comfortably on your back, perfect for the urban commuter who wants to game on the go without looking like a school kid. The LEATHERMAN Free K4 takes the traditional pocket knife and upgrades it with a revolutionary magnetic architecture. This isn't just a knife, it includes spring-action scissors, a pry tool, and a package opener, all accessible with one hand thanks to the smooth, magnetic locking system. The 3.3-inch blade is made from high-carbon stainless steel, holding a razor edge while being easy to sharpen. The tactile click when the tools lock into place is incredibly satisfying, giving you the confidence that this tool is ready for whatever heavy-duty task you throw at it. Fly fishing requires managing tiny lines and knots, and the GERBER Linedriver is the specialized tool designed specifically for that job. It features a spinning hook vise that clamps onto a hook to keep your fingers safe while you tie complex knots, plus a scissor snip and a line threader. The dual-ended design also includes a hook eye cleaner to clear out old debris, ensuring your presentation is always perfect. It comes with a tether ring so you can clip it to your vest, ensuring this essential little gadget never falls into the river while you are waiting. Most multi-tool knives are bulky, but the Kershaw Select Fire is a full-size knife that hides a complete bit driver set in the handle. The 3.4-inch blade is the star of the show, but with a quick flip, you can deploy a 1/4-inch bit driver with 4 standard bits stored right in the handle scales. It gives you the torque and grip of a real screwdriver without compromising the ergonomics of the knife. Whether you are breaking down boxes or fixing a loose cabinet hinge, this is the perfect everyday carry for the practical handyman. Hanging power strips or shelves with those annoying keyhole slots is usually a nightmare of measuring and guessing. The AccuMount Keyhole Companion solves this by mounting directly into the keyhole slots of the item you want to hang. You simply press the item against the wall, and the tool marks the exact spot where your screws need to go with ink. No tape measures, no math, and no extra holes in your drywall. Just a perfect fit every single time. It works on everything from network switches to picture frames, turning a frustrating hour-long task into a 5-minute job. The true utility. FishFace is an 18-in-1 tool that is barely larger than a house key, perfect for the minimalist who hates clutter. Despite its tiny size, it packs a Phillips and flathead screwdriver, wrenches, a bicycle spoke spanner, a pry bar, and a bottle opener into a fish-shaped design. The best part is the safety blade for cutting open boxes, which is sharp enough for tape but safe to touch. It clips onto your keyring with a sprung carabiner, ensuring you always have a toolbox's worth of functionality right in your pocket without the weight. Back pain can strike anywhere, and Cardlax 2.0 is the world's thinnest personal massager that fits right inside your wallet. It is an electrical muscle stimulation device that is only 4.5 millimeters thick, designed to stick to your skin and melt away muscle tension discreetly. You control the intensity and modes via a smartphone app, targeting sore spots on your neck, back, or arms while you sit at your desk or commute. It's like having a physical therapist in your pocket, ready to provide relief after a gym session or a long flight. If you love the rugged look of G-Shock watches, the CASIO G's Eye is the action camera built with that same DNA. It is shock-resistant, waterproof, and dust-proof, designed to take a beating while filming your extreme sports adventures. The unique design allows for an ultra-wide-angle lens that captures more of the action, and it pairs with your phone or CASIO smartwatch for remote control. It doesn't look like a delicate piece of tech. It looks like a piece of military hardware that is ready to record your journey through mud, snow, or surf. For the comic book fan who wants something sophisticated, the UNDONE X Batman Quantum is a timepiece that screams Dark Knight. It features a semi-transparent dial that reveals the automatic movement underneath, styled to look like the Batmobile's engine or the Batsuit armor. The case is blasted titanium with a matte finish, and the lume glows a distinct icy blue in the dark, mimicking the tech from the movies. It is a serious collector's watch that balances aggressive tactical styling with the luxury feel of a custom-made mechanical timepiece. Stop using your phone flash as a flashlight and upgrade to the WUBEN G1, a tiny powerhouse that recharges via USB-C. It delivers 40 lumens of light, which is plenty for finding keyholes or navigating a dark parking lot, and it weighs practically nothing. The quick-release clip lets you detach it from your keys instantly, and the tail is magnetic, so you can stick it to a car hood or fuse box for hands-free work. It's tough, waterproof, and charges with the same cable as your phone, making it the most convenient light you'll ever own. Bringing a saw camping usually means carrying awkward gear, but the GERBER Freescape folds completely flat into a safe, transportable bar. When you reach your campsite, it unfolds into a full-sized bow saw capable of cutting through thick logs for firewood. The handle is rubberized for a superior grip in wet conditions, and the bright green accents ensure you don't lose it in the brush. It uses standard 12-inch saw blades, so replacements are easy to find, making this an indispensable tool for bushcraft and camping trips. From the makers of the modular pen comes REDSHIFT, a flat, slider-style tool that reinvents the spanner. It looks like a stick of gum but holds a variety of interchangeable wrench heads that you cycle through like a cartridge pencil. You get different sizes of box wrenches and spoke wrenches that snap securely into the slim metal chassis, giving you high torque in a package that slides into a pocket. It is perfect for cyclists or mechanics who need a variety of bolt sizes but don't want to carry a heavy roll of tools. The Metmo pen is for the guy who appreciates precision engineering and needs to keep his hands busy. It is a dual-threaded metal pen inspired by historical tools, featuring two nuts that spin up and down the body with a mesmerizing, smooth motion. It's not just for writing, it's a high-end fidget toy that provides a satisfying tactile experience for focusing during long meetings. Machined from solid metal, it has a heavy premium feel that makes signing documents feel like an event, while the threads are fun to play with endlessly. This isn't a child's toy. The Wanwu Studio Concussive Cannon is a high-end haptic slider made for serious fidget enthusiasts. Shaped like a futuristic cannon or mech part, it uses strong magnets to create a heavy, snappy click when you slide the metal plates back and forth. The feedback is intense and mechanical, mimicking the feeling of loading a weapon or flipping a heavy switch. Crafted from zirconium or titanium, it develops a unique patina over time and serves as a piece of pocket art that is incredibly satisfying to manipulate. Measuring your biceps or waist for fitness goals is usually awkward with a flimsy tape, but Pi by Bagel Labs makes it digital and smart. This retractable tape measure has a digital readout screen and syncs directly to a mobile app via Bluetooth to track your body changes over time. It features a locking pin mechanism that lets you loop the tape around your arm and lock it in place for a precise, one-handed measurement. It removes the human error from tracking your gains, giving you accurate data to see exactly how your workout plan is paying off. Umbrellas are a pain to hold, especially when you are hiking or carrying groceries, but the EZ Fun Shell builds the rain protection right into your backpack. This innovative bag has a fan-fold umbrella structure integrated into the top that deploys in seconds to cover you and the pack. It keeps your hands completely free for trekking poles, your phone, or your bike handlebars, while creating a wind-resistant shield over your head. When the sun comes out, it folds neatly back into the specialized compartment, leaving you with a functional, stylish backpack. The Keyhole Lumberjack is a survivalist stream, an axe head that doesn't require you to carry a handle. This multi-tool head clamps onto any sturdy stick you find in the woods, turning a fallen branch into a fully functional axe for chopping wood. Beyond the axe blade, it includes a knife edge, hammer head, gut hook, hex wrench set, and a carabiner, packing 7 tools into one flat piece of metal. It saves massive amounts of weight in your pack and proves that with the right engineering, you can build your own tools from nature. The Peachy X2 is a masterclass in titanium minimalism, combining a carabiner, a wrench, and a knife into one cohesive unit. The skeletonized body is incredibly light but strong, featuring a ratcheting wrench slot that fits multiple bolt sizes. The standout feature is the replaceable scalpel blade, giving you a surgically sharp cutting edge that you never have to sharpen. Just swap it out when it gets dull. It clips onto your belt loop and disappears until you need it, offering a level of utility that far outweighs its tiny footprint. If you want to own the streets, the Onewheel GT is the ultimate personal electric vehicle. With more power, torque, and range than any previous model, it lets you carve up pavement and dirt trails like you are snowboarding on land. It has a top speed of 20 mAh and a range of up to 32 miles, meaning you can ride all day without range anxiety. The new tire profile and foot pads offer deeper control for carving, And the integrated intelligent lighting keeps you safe at night. It's not just a commute, it's an adrenaline sport on your way to work. Starting a fire in the wind and rain can be impossible, but Pyro Putty guarantees a flame in the worst conditions. This pliable, sticky putty adheres to logs or twigs and burns vigorously for up to 15 minutes, even if it's wet. You only need a tiny pea-sized amount to get a fire roaring, meaning one tin lasts for dozens of campfires. It is non-toxic, waterproof, and doesn't dry out, making it a critical addition to any survival kit or camping gear bag for when Mother Nature decides not to cooperate. Fidget spinners have evolved, and the Wanwu U-Tank is a heavy metal tank for your fingers. Designed with a rugged industrial aesthetic, it features independent rolling treads that mimic a tank's movement while the main body spins. It's machined from premium metals like zirconium or stainless steel, giving it a hefty weight that keeps it spinning for a long time. The intricate detailing and moving parts make it more than just a spinner. It's a mechanical marvel that looks awesome sitting on your desk and feels even better in your hand. The YSmart MQ5X solves the biggest problem with keychain flashlights, fumbling to turn them on. This light uses a magnetic quick-release base. Simply pull it off your keychain and it turns on instantly. No twisting or buttons required. It's tiny, waterproof, and houses a rechargeable battery, making it the fastest deploying light on the market. The magnet is strong enough to hold the light on a car door or pipe for hands-free work, and snapping it back onto your keys turns it off automatically. It is pure efficiency in a beautiful metal shell. Finally, for the DIY mechanic or homeowner, the Depstec Dual Lens Endoscope lets you see inside walls, engines, and pipes with crystal clarity. It features two cameras, one on the front and one on the side, allowing you to switch views and inspect tight spaces without twisting the cable. The 1080p screen is built right into the handheld unit, so you don't need to fiddle with a phone app to see what's going on. With built-in LED lights and a waterproof probe, you can find lost bolts, check for mold, or inspect cylinder walls like a pro. That's 32 gadgets to upgrade your gear collection. You can find links to everything in the description below. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.